Ensure all safety instructions are adhered to. Health and safety information can be found on the bottle labels provided with the test kit. MSDS are available upon request. This is our K-type thermometer test kit. Inside the box, there is a thermometer, 2 thermocouples, a surface probe, and a temperature probe. These both attach into 2 ports at the top of the thermometer. To use the surface probe, you simply remove the end cap to expose the head of the probe. And make contact with the surface. To use the temperature probe, you insert the connector into the top of the thermometer and dip the probe into your sample.